Hi, I'm Lou. Another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with Dave Johnson. Dave, good to see you. And we're at the Muscle Car and Corvette National in Rosemont, Illinois. Come on out and see the greatest muscle cars in the United States. They're all here one weekend. And let me grab the camera. Thank you, Bill, as I usually do. And Dave, stand next to me. Come right over here next to me. What did you bring here today?
Well, I have a 1970 Buick GSX, 4-speed, 455 stage 1 engine. Completely restored, back to original. I wanted to make it as original as possible, as new. Came out a little better than I expected that it was going to come out.
That's great. Better than expected.
Better than expected. It was supposed to be a nice drive, but it ended up a little bit more than that.
Come with me. Once you got started, you couldn't stop, could you?
Correct.
All right, and those are functional scoops, as you can see. And we've got the hood tag. We're going to take a look at that. There's the... There's the hood tag. Let's step back and take an overall look at the car. Now, how long you had this car?
I've had it just about 3 years. 3 years in January.
And why the GSX out of all the cars that are out there?
I've always liked the Buick. I had a GS Stage 1 before, a 71, and a friend of mine had this as a project, and he had too many projects. I always wanted one, and we offered it for sale. I jumped at it.
So you had a Stage 1. This is a little bit better than Stage 1.
Yeah, this is a GSX. This is the top dog.
Yeah. And people can pause that anywhere they want to see the details there. And great rear spoiler on it, as you can see. Wonderful swooping lines in the tail. Come on back with me in the all-important GSX. What does the GSX stand for? What's the X?
X was experimental.
Okay.
That's the story. GS experimental.
So when you, and here's some of the other details if anybody wants to pause on this, specifically relating to this car. There we go. Great poster, by the way.
I love it when you
Come on over, and the color of this car?
Saturn Yellow. It's actually named after the space program in 1970. They had Saturn Yellow and Apollo White.
Really?
Yeah, that's where the name for the colors came from.
Ah, cool. So you don't miss this. And let's open the door. Let's take a look. What was the most difficult thing in the restore of this car?
The most difficult thing to restore. Let's see. I'll tell you, the easiest thing to restore was the frame. This car was from California, and the frame and actually the floorboards were like glass.
Really?
It almost required no work at all.
Wow. Well, that was a blessing.
Yeah. I'd say the most difficult thing, but also the most fun, was the engine compartment. That's what I enjoyed most. I pretty much did all of it.
And that had to feel very rewarding.
Yeah. And working on the wiring under the dash, that's a little trying too.
And the Buick was a luxury car. Tell me about that piece in the center here that I'm focusing on. Was this a tack or something? It's up the center.
That's a decoration that Buick used. They used that same console for several years.
Yeah.
And I believe back in 65, 66, they had a tack in that pot.
Okay.
And then later they either put it on the dash or the GSX on the hood, and they just put a decoration in there.
Is that an 8-track player as well? Or?
Nope, just it was
AM,
available
FM?
with an 8-track, but it has an AM/FM radio, no 8-track.
Got it. And let's
Also has a tilt steering wheel.
And the important.
That's an original tag that was in the glove box.
That's great.
Starting information.
It's great how to start it, right? That one you'll figure out pretty fast if you're in it. Let's take a look. Speaking of pretty fast, let's take a look under the hood.
Sure.
And that looks quite unique for an air filter.
Yeah, it's the original air filter.
Obviously the cold air coming in off the front, and original chrome valve covers.
Yep,
Really?
unique to a stage 1. Those are only the stage 1 had the chrome valve covers.
Oh, really?
That decal I actually had it reproduced myself. I found an NOS decal. The other reproductions of the market weren't correct, so I found an NOS one and had it copied and made several copies because I wanted to look as original as possible.
And there's kind of a lot. It's cool, and there's a lot of room in here. I mean,
Oh yeah, there's plenty. This car is a non-air conditioning model, so there's plenty of room down here to work, which I prefer. I never really cared for the cars with air conditioning, so that really even more swayed me to buy this car because it didn't have air conditioning.
yeah, it works. So it's a race car, right?
Yeah.
Let's start it.
Sure.
Since we got the chance here. Smooth.
It is. Yeah.
Let's listen to the exhaust note here. Nice cam below the sound there, right? Let's yeah. Let's shut it off. Let's have you. Let's have you shut the hood and stand right next to your car, Dave. Stand right next to it. Dave, thanks for being on My Car Story.
Welcome. Glad.